Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm on the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady ship. This is a room on deck 5. It is a sea view or an ocean view room. Spacious, and definitely more spacious than the previous place I stayed, the Miami River Inn. But now we are here. You can see a sea view window. Right now we're just seeing the cruise terminal as we're on a lower deck. Not a high view, but less motion sickness, probably. You can see this from when you're sitting on the bed, pillow in the center next to the window, and this is the check-in area just outside with the Virgin logo on the window. We have curtains. I was able to manually pull this one, and the other one was wall controls. TV in the center next to the bed. They want me to watch a safety video and go to the muster station, but for now I'm just taking this video first. Have a large bed, some decorative pillows, extra towels, reading lights or reading lamps in the back, and they have some spiffy nightstands. Instead of just a table, they have this on the ground, a blue thing here with a holder on the top. Perhaps you can lay down and eat or sit and eat. You could use it as a table or just rest your phone or other devices. Plugs on the wall, 2 USB ports and a regular wall port, and light controls as well. You can turn off the lights for the room when you're in bed. This is 2 beds together, or 1 big bed. Otherwise it would be spread out and it would probably be over here where the reading light is. On this side, it's another table where I have my camera equipment at the moment. More towels. And a space where you can, again, put food or maybe drinks. More light controls on the other side of the bed. More plugs on the wall. And I use this space for luggage. Move the chair out just a little bit. And I have the luggage right next to the chair. Have a desk in this area with a tablet. This controls the room as well, and the TV. Daily planner, your day at a glance. Today is Monday, May 25th, 2026. Ahoy sailor, lots of ahoys throughout. This is 5-night cruise. Miami, sea day, Puerto Plata in Dominican Republic. Sea day, and then the Bimini Beach Club, and then it heads back. Hours of operation for some of the dining, the cafe areas. And here, a special invite for you, Solo Socials. Welcome aboard, we're happy to have you here. We notice you may be adventuring solo. If that's the case and you'd like some company, celebrate departure, we put together a meetup for solo sailors. They offer some meetup opportunities, a reserved table if you want to take it and eat with other people. I'll just be solo, but nice that they gave that option. This is a heat mat for hair straighteners. Save the vanity and use it, please. That's cool they do that. You can straighten your hair out here instead of the bathroom. Trash on the bottom. A small chair-like. And another chair here that can just be used at the desk. Laptop should comfortably fit there. And again, some plugs in the back. This is nice. They include water and they refill it throughout the journey. 2 carafes. And we have a sextant and an octopus. This octopus can also serve as a phone holder. You can see here, quick demonstration. Can prop up the phone next to the octopus. Ah, there we go. It works on the front tentacles. Cool thing. You can also take it off the ship and pay for it, but I believe it's like $15 or $20. Ink wants to occupy a space in your heart. $12 and it's yours. Okay, so even cheaper than that. A room phone. Suppose you can call the front desk if you want. Octopus art on the wall and another ahoy. Again, they are everywhere. Some hooks or hangers on the wall. And we have the bathroom. Bathroom not too spacious. Toilet here, a little shelf next to the sink. And the shower. This is a door instead of a curtain, so that's nice. Hair wash, body wash, and conditioner. 2 nozzles over here to adjust the settings, and it looks like a rain type sprinkler at the top. Ahoy sailor, keeping our oceans blue with a little help from you. It's giving an option to keep your towels on the hook to reuse them or put them on the floor to replace them. Next to the bathroom, coming in the room, we have a closet. This does have a curtain and lots of hangers on this side. A little shelf area on the bottom, perhaps put your shoes inside, and another shelf at the top. This is a diagram of the ship. You can see I'm middle towards the front, but not quite the front. Assembly station there, life jackets, of course, provided. Housekeeping controls on the wall. Do not disturb and clean the room. Housekeeping said they come by around lunchtime, only once a day, not twice a day. Some cruises, they're ambitious about that. They come twice a day. Get a final look of the room. The spacious bed, the spacious room. Nice to see, nice to have a lot of space to move, and a desk to use the laptop. A light here as well, an interesting design to it at the top. And there you have it. This is the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady Sea View or Ocean View room. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more cruise content.